Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Goa records 6 inches of rainfall in 24 hours, 19-inch rainfall till now. Pedne witnesses highest rainfall, trees, electricity poles uprooted, normal life out of gear. Goa witnesses second revolution day amidst protest against government's MOI policy. Youth brigade supporting My Bhas restarts agitation. Freedom fighters express displeasure over the policy. Sudhin holds back CM's instructions suspending 3 PWD engineers. Says he wants to study CM's noting first. Stays firm on HSRP implementation. Goa Revolution Day celebrated in the state. Governor want to suggest world-class facilities for tourists. CM assures to create Dream Goa. And Bridge Federation of India plans to take the card game into schools. Bridge as a sport is not at all related to gambling, says Federation Secretary Arijit Guha. And now the news in detail. Heavy rain spell in Goa for past 48 hours has damaged many properties in the state. Rural as well as urban areas including the capital city witnessed frequent power cuts on Monday. State has recorded 6 inches of rainfall in last 24 hours and a seasonal total of almost 19 inches. Pedne has witnessed highest rainfall in the state. Fire brigade personnel received almost 100 complaints across the state. Watch this report. Heavy spells of incessant rain accompanied by gusty winds lashed the state and caused heavy damage. Trees uprooted on houses and open places and rising water levels submerged low-lying areas in many places for past 48 hours. The scores of trees were brought down by the powerful gusty winds.
तो आमो पडटलो एक झाड मोठे आसा सावरीचे ते पडटले म्हणून पयलीच आम्ही म्युनिसिपालिटी कंप्लेंट केली की हे झाड पडटले बेगिनान बेगीन एक्शन घ्या तर कोणीच त्याचे अजून एक्शन घेऊन ना त्याच्या उपरांत आम्ही बाबुशाकडे गेली बाबुशाकूय सांगला परत आम्ही हेका ते खंय रे बाबा डिप्युटी कलेक्टरान एक्शन दिले फॉर्म भरून की त्यांना सांगले हे आमचे झाड पडटले आमची लुकसाणी बेगीन बेगीन करा 4 वर्सां जाले आम्ही हेचेर उलयत आसा पण कोणूच काय एक्शन घेयना.
Uprooting of trees was also reported in coastal areas. An official from Fire and Emergency Services said the department personnel answered nearly 100 calls throughout the day. In Pedne, which recorded the highest rainfall, witnessed cases of cattle death due to electrocution in incessant rain.
This highest rainfall is recorded at Pedne. So at Pedne it is Pedne actually the highest rainfall is there, but at Panjim it is 58 centimeter. Today also during last 24 hours Pedne has been recorded the highest rainfall, that is 294.4 millimeters. But in other parts also they are heavy to very heavy rainfall also. So at present this monsoon was vigorous over Goa. This heavy showers we can expect within next 1 or 2 days also. After that this intensity may reduce, but this monsoon rainfall will continue.
This is the rainfall recorded taluka wise. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Goa witnessed second Revolution Day amidst protest against government's MOI policy. 2011 had witnessed intense agitation by BBSM outside official function venue. 2012 led to restarting of the agitation by Youth Brigade supporting Maya Bhas. Freedom fighters raised the issue during Revolution Day ceremony. While replying, CM clarified that he has left the final decision to educationists.
बहुजन समाजाचा उद्धार करता भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरा भाऊ आज सगळी युवा शक्ती तुझ्या पायाकडे आल्या शक्ती तुका खबर आसा देवा दिगंबर कामतीने एक परिपत्रक काढले त्या परिपत्रकाक लागून येदे व्हडले आंदोलन झाले भाऊ तुवें जे स्वप्न पळयले जे बहुजन समाजाचे भुरगे शिकचे व्हडले जावचे तेच आज तुझ्या पायाकडे आयल्या आज तुझेकडे मागतात
It restarted, and how? The anti-English Garane written in a new fashion and against a new regime. The Get Well Soon group opposing government's new MOI policy began their second phase of agitation on Revolution Day at Farmagudi in front of Bausaib Bandodkar's statue.
जसे आम्ही युथ कन्व्हेन्शनाक सांगितले जो मेरेन 126 शाळांचे अनुदान बेकायदेशीर अनुदान बंद जायना तो मेरेन आमचे आंदोलन चालूच उरतले आणि आज 18 जून ह्याच दिसा पूर्व आम्ही दिगंबर कामतीचो 18 जून फंक्शन पणजे उधळून उडयल्ले आणि आम्ही आज भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरा गाराणे घालून हेच सिद्ध केला की आमचे आंदोलन हे परतून सुरू जाला ही आयची एक टोकन सुरुवात जावन आसा आणि हाच्या फुडें आंदोलन हे पेटतलें.
The official Revolution Day function also faced the heat of MOI issue like last year. In 2011, BBSM had protested outside official function venue. In 2012, freedom fighters did the job from inside. It was the same issue, same freedom fighters, but a different regime.
नवे सरकारान माध्यमाचो प्रश्न सोडोवपाचो खूबसो प्रयत्न केला पूण तो अजून पुराय जावंक ना.
CM tried to justify his decision. He claimed that the present policy is not a final solution and educationists would decide on the matter.
नागेश करमलीन जो विचार मांडलो ताचे फाटली भावना म्हाका पूर्णपणे जाणवता कारण ती भावना घेऊनच हांव लोकां फुडें गेल्लो पण भावना प्रत्यक्षान हे करता आसतना ताका लागणारे जे फील्ड वर्क आसता ते फील्ड वर्क म्हाका दिसता उपलब्ध नाशिल्ले त्यामुळे काही गोष्टी करच्यो पडल्यो सुद्दां जाल्यार हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की फुडल्या वर्साच्या 18 जुनाक तांकां ह्यो भावना व्यक्त करपाची गरज पडची ना. शिक्षणांतल्या तज्ञ लोकां कडेन हो विशय आमचे सरकार सोपयतली तांच्यांनी तातूंतल्यान योग्य ती भुमिका घेवची इतलेंच हांव सांगूंक सोदतां.
A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
PWD Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar has held back CM's instruction demanding suspension of 3 PWD engineers in contractor Harmalgarh suicide case. Sudhin wants to study CM's instruction before taking any action against the 3 engineers. He is firm on implementing HSRP from August as per Supreme Court guidelines. However, Sudip Damonkar claims that CM has assured him to hold back the decision till all doubts are cleared.
मुख्यमंत्र्यान ताजेर कितें रिमार्क मारला हें आजून पसून हांवें वाचूना पूण म्हज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे थंय लॅप्स इन एग्जिक्युशन ऑफ द वर्क्स आसा. त्यो लॅप्सीस कितें कितें आनी त्यो कित्याक लागून जाल्या हें सगळें पळयले नंतर ताजेर हांव भाशण करतलो. ताचे पयलीं हांव भाशण करना. मुख्यमंत्र्यान कितें बरयलें तो रिमार्कूय म्हाका वाचपाक जाय.
सगळे होल्डार दवरला म्हणजे सस्पेन्शन बी तशें कांय ना.
तशें आजून पसून हांवें वाचूना सस्पेन्शनाचें पूण येता त्या विका भितर म्हाका ती फायल येतली. हांवें हें केलें ती सेक्रेटरी कडेन फायल पावल्या. सेक्रेटरी वील पुट अप आयदर टू CM ऑर टू मी.
CMन सस्पेन्शनाचे हे काडले तुमी ते होल्डार दवरले. दुसरे वटेन बस ओनर्स CMा बरोबर मिटींग घेता ते ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर ना. आयज एक दुसरो ग्रूप तुमकां येवन मेळटा. सो कितें प्रॉब्लेम
ही स्टोरी ज्यो आसा त्यो तुमचे तुमीच केल्ल्यो आसा. ह्यो स्टोरींत कांयच अर्थ ना. मुख्यमंत्री जें कितें सांगता तें प्रत्येक कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टरान आयकुपाकूच जाय. आमच्यान मतभेद ना. आमी दोगूय एकामेका कडेन बरे तरेन उलयता. आमचें बरे तरेन चलना. HSRPच्या बाबतींत गव्हर्मेंटाचो स्टँड हो सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या डिसिजनाचेर आसा. government has already decided as per the Supreme Court's order that HSMP is to be implemented. आणि त्या खातीर आमी टेंडर काडलां. टेंडर फायनल करपाचें हाजेर आसा. तें जाले नंतर आमी सगळ्यांक आपयतले, सगळ्यां कडेन डिस्कशन करतले आमचे ऑफिसर, तांकां पटयतले आनी आमी मागीर त्या नंतर ऑगस्टांत इम्प्लिमेंट करतले. हें हांवें पयलींचे मिटिंगेकूय सांगलां, तेंच मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगलां. सगळ्यांक आपूण हें करूनच घेतलो म्हणून.
आयज एक सेकंड ग्रूप मेळ्ळो न्हू कसलो तरी.
आज जो फोंडेचो आनी थोडे म्हापशेचे आनी थोडे वाळपय सायडीचे, थोडे बाशाला सायडीचे अशे काही बस ओनर्स म्हाका मेळ्ळे. तांणी सांगलें की आमी सगळे तुमचे बरोबर, मुख्यमंत्री बरोबर आनी तुजे बरोबर आसा. तूं जें डिसिजन घेता तें आमकां मान्य आसा.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Onkar Farari. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.